If you're looking for a small lawn and garden sprayer compatible for weeds, pests, and fertilizers, then the Chapin 20,000 series sprayer is perfect for those types of jobs. Filling and pouring can be spill-free every time with its handy funnel top opening. With its ergonomic handle, it makes pumping and carrying this sprayer easy. The 20,000 series sprayer has a handy lock-on feature for an easy continuous spray, and it won't fatigue your hand. This sprayer includes a 12-inch wand with a 34-inch hose and an adjustable nozzle to control your spray pattern. And with its quick and easy assembly, this is a do-it-yourselfer's dream. It's ideal for quick and simple jobs around the house, and this sprayer is compatible with common fertilizers, weed killers, and pesticides.